Hi guys, and welcome to my video. Today I will teach you how to make your own easy scrunchies, which will take less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. First of all, pick some fabric that you really like. Next, lay your fabric flat and measure out 20 inches by 3 inches. Then cut this out. Fabric has a right side and a wrong side. The right side is the pretty side, which you'd see on the outside of clothing. Hold the fabric up together and put the right sides together. Pin all the way down. Fold the top over. It will look like this once it's ready. Now I'll turn my machine to the longest stitch. Next, sew down the side seam and remove the pins as you're going along. Now we are turning the scrunchie inside out. This involves putting a safety pin just at the top of one end, clipping it in, folding it through and pushing up. Now it's time to put the elastic through. Get a 6-inch of elastic and then put a safety pin through the top. Slide it through, and when the elastic almost gets to the end, safety pin it through. This will stop it springing out and making it easier for you. There we go, just thread the rest of the elastic through. Once you reach the end, pull the elastics together and take the safety pin out and tie a nice knot. Pull hard. Now we're going to put the rough side into the nice looking side, and you could put a pin in place just to hold it. Now we're just going to start creating a stitch to hold it all in place. There we go, this is the end result. Easy, in less than under 2 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and check back later for more videos.